Camel, what are you doing? I want to pull the string and see what happens. I don't know if that's a good idea. Well, that didn't work. Still didn't work. I pulled the string and all I got was a string. Well, I gave it a good kick, and something came out. Oh, let's find out. Well, I tried pulling some of those strings, and as you can see, it wasn't as easy to open as I thought. Yeah, the pinata pull the string concept really wasn't what we were hoping for. But let's see what we got in the calendar. NYX Beauty, and we paid $35 for this, which means each item is just under $3. Do they make the grade? Starting off with a translucent finishing powder. Okay, fair enough. Not the most spectacular, yet it would be functional. 2 jumbo multi-use sticks. One is white and one is kind of a coppery shimmer. And the white is also a bit of a shimmer. Looks like the white one might have melted down a little bit in transit, which happens. This is a blush, Sweet Cheeks, and the shade is called Baby Doll. A nice enough shade. I'm guessing you could sheer it out if you needed to, or build it up depending upon your needs and your skin tone. I think so far this is the one I like the best. A clear lip gloss, Butter Glass. And I'm looking here, it says Sugar Glass, so I'm wondering if it has a sweet scent. I've not taken a sniff on any of these, as these might be stocking stuffers along the way. Okay, I can live with a clear gloss. We have 2 lip oils, Newsfeed and Follow Back. Interesting, I think of the 2 of these, I like this red shade the best for an lip oil. So it's probably going to be a sheer shade, not as dark as what we are seeing here. These are almost the same. Yeah, they kind of are. They are, I think, different viscosities, but the shade is about the same. They say that they are matte. So this one here is Soft Matte Lip Cream in, I can't even read that. I thought there was a shade name on the back of this, but I can't figure it out. That one looks just about the same. Hang on, please don't swallow it. And sure not to eat with your foot in my mouth. Don't eat the products. This says Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream, and it says its shade is Latte Foam. And thank you. I don't know. To me, they look awfully similar. Yeah, they kind of do. And then there's this whole bunch that kind of looks awfully similar. Subtle differences, but awfully similar. And maybe they're trying to put in something for everyone, which, fair enough, yet I'm not overly impressed. We have Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in Velvet Rose. Oop, had it upside down. butter gloss in, I think that says feline on it, but I'm really not sure. Some type of a butter gloss. These shades are starting to all blend in. And a soft matte lip cream. I think what I'm trying to read as the shade is really a product number. When you hold all 5 of these up next to each other, yes, they are upside down, they kind of look like there is a bit of a range, yet not much. Did you see anything that you liked? Let us know down below. As you can see, we're a bit disappointed with this one. Yeah, this is not high on my oh goody goody list. Of the items that were presented, I am intrigued by the blush product, and I am curious to try the Newsfeed lip oil. It looks like a fun shade, and I like a good lip oil. Hopefully it's a good one. In taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, we paid $35, so that makes each item $2.92. The full price was $70 for $5.83 an item. I'm glad we didn't pay the $70. I'm miffed that we paid the $35. What would I do differently? I would make it easier to open. That pull for the Pinata thing didn't exactly work. True. I would avoid so many similar lippies. There was a bit of a range when we put them all up together, but not much. I would have had a wider range. I would have wanted to see an eyeliner, even if it was a liquid black eyeliner. At least it would have been something extra, not a bunch of lip products. The majority were lip products. And I would have liked to have seen a liquid eyeshadow instead of one of those lippies. Yeah. I consider this about the worst calendar we've ever unboxed, and I mean ever. I am being generous in the holiday spirit and giving it a 1.5 out of 5 stars. And that's generous. What do you think? Are we being too Scrooge and Grinch-like? Do we need to learn our place? Or is this a dumpster fire? Thank you for taking the time today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Our other calendars are better than this. Anyone want a pull string? Oy, oy, oy.